Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meta Business Suite how to delete page. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete a page, what you need to do is head over and open up your Facebook app. Then once you're inside there, simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then here, if you haven't selected the page that you want to delete, simply tap on this drop down menu, and there you'll be able to select the page. Then once you have selected the page, simply head over to the menu once again, then tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down, and under your information you'll be seeing the option that says access and control. Simply tap on that, and now here you'll find the manage page status, and there, in order to delete the page, simply select the option that says delete page, then tap on continue and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete the page. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.